Stop using your iPhone like it's 2023. iOS 18 is the biggest update in Apple's history, but I bet you're only using 10% of what it can do. From placing icons anywhere to the new AI superpowers, today I'm showing you how to actually master iOS 18. First up, the grid is dead. For the first time ever, you can place your apps anywhere. Want a clear view of your wallpaper? Just move your icons to the bottom. And the best part? Tinted icons. Long press, hit edit, and you can turn your entire home screen into a matte black or neon purple aesthetic. It finally looks unique. Apple also completely reinvented the control center. It's now paginated, meaning you can have a media page, a home page, and a favorites page. You can even grab the corner of any button and stretch it to make it bigger. Pro tip: add the new power button toggle here, so you don't have to hold down physical buttons to restart your phone. But the real star is Apple Intelligence. Check this out. Highlight any messy email or angry text, tap Rewrite, and select Professional. Boom! It fixes your tone instantly. And if you can't find the right emoji, just make one. Type T-Rex surfing on a pizza into Genmoji, and it generates a custom sticker instantly. Finally, for privacy, you can now lock any app behind Face ID. Just long press, tap, require Face ID, and it vanishes from your screen into a locked hidden folder. Perfect for banking apps or whatever else you want to keep secret.